Hello, my name is Daniel, and you are listening to the Engineering Success Podcast, the premier engineering careers podcast. Whenever I was dreaming of becoming an engineer, I had one vision of what engineers do, and it involved a garage and startup companies that I had heard of and movies that I had watched. But boy, I was surprised whenever I got to engineering school and I started my classes and I started talking to actual engineers as I applied for engineering jobs. Engineers do a lot of things. The engineering degree is so versatile, and because of that, engineers do a lot more than just prototype new things. And that is why I started this podcast. Because if you told 12-year-old me what I do for a living now, my mind would have been blown. This is a podcast for aspiring engineers to learn more about what it's like to achieve an engineering career. Now, whether you're an experienced engineer, an aspiring engineer, or just trying to be an engineer, this is the podcast for you. Each week, we'll do one of two things. We'll either interview an engineer that has accomplished something in their career. Maybe they've become the CEO of a company, or maybe they've started their own business, or maybe they retired in time. That's one of our first interviews that we did is with an engineer that retired at 55. There are different goals that come with this career, and there's many different career paths. And I'm hoping that by listening to those interviews, you'll get to see what it looks like to have an engineering career and decide what you want to have as your career. In addition, we also have our mailbag type of episodes where I'll answer questions from you, my audience, about just random career topics, and also pull some other career questions from elsewhere. But, anyways, this is the Engineering Success Podcast. If you want to be part of a community of aspiring engineers and experienced engineers helping one another grow as engineers in our careers, this is the podcast and the community for you.